Hi, this is Eric, the Parts Actor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the Middle Spray Nozzle Assembly on your Samsung Dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new Middle Spray Nozzle Assembly for your Samsung Dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsactor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's Middle Spray Nozzle Assembly rotates and sprays water to clean the dishes in the middle rack. If it becomes damaged, clogged, or worn out, you may need to replace it, as this can affect the dishwasher's cleaning performance. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Then, pull the middle rack forward. The Middle Spray Nozzle Assembly is connected to the Middle Duct Assembly, which is located on the bottom of the middle dish rack and is held in place by a rotating coupler. To release it, twist the coupler counterclockwise, then pull the spray nozzle assembly down and out. If you need to purchase a new Middle Spray Nozzle Assembly, you can check out our website, partsactor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, align the coupler on the Middle Spray Nozzle Assembly to the Middle Duct Assembly and turn it clockwise to secure. Finally, push the rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.